The word we'll be learning in this section is kigen, which you will often hear in casual conversations and when discussing emotions or trying to gauge someone's emotional state. The word kigen means mood or temper. It can refer to someone's emotional state at a particular time, such as when someone is happy, sad, or angry. Additionally, it can describe whether a person is in a good mood or a bad mood. The first kanji means machine or mechanism and can also mean an opportunity or chance. In words like kikai, it brings the idea of a mechanical device. In words like hikouki, it helps name a specific kind of machine used for flying. The second kanji means dislike or something unpleasant and shows feelings of reluctance. In words like kirai, it expresses a general dislike. In words like iagaru, it shows an active unwillingness or aversion. She is in a good mood. 彼女はいい機嫌です。彼女はいい機嫌です。She is in a bad mood. 彼女は悪い機嫌です。彼女は悪い機嫌です。My dog is always in a good mood. 私の犬はいつも機嫌がいいです。私の犬はいつも機嫌がいいです。He's in a bad mood today. 彼は今日は機嫌が悪いです。彼は今日は機嫌が悪いです。The most common synonym of the word kigen is kanjo. While kigen specifically refers to the mood or temper at a particular moment, kanjo is broader and relates to feelings and emotions more generally. The most common antonym of the word kigen is heisei. While kigen describes fluctuating emotions like being happy or angry, heisei refers to a calm, composed, and steady state, devoid of mood swings.